Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. I'm here on the shorter time frame, the 1 hour chart for XRP, and the market, continues to just grind sideways at the moment. Over the last few days, we talked about this triangle pattern, right, that could be unfolding actually in this fourth wave. As you can see, we are printing higher lows, lower highs here at the moment, and we hold below the very first micro resistance area, which is between $2.28 and $2.42. So this is the zone against which the price could form one more low in wave 5. Not needed, not needed. I mean, this pullback already landed in our support zone, but I haven't got any bullish breakout signal yet because the price hasn't even broken above our first micro resistance area. So what will be relevant for next week is to pay close attention. All eyes need to be on this resistance area. And the $2.42 level acts as first signal line for me. So a break above it would be a first indication that the bulls are at least trying to take the lead and might send the price higher to the next resistance cluster above. I mean, this is important because the next resistance cluster is in the region between 269 and 284. Only a break above this zone would really unlock prices in the $3.40 plus region, which is where we have previous structural resistance, our green signal line. And then we can talk about $5 plus. But honestly, at the moment, we are not even managing to break above the very first micro resistance area. At the moment, I'm spotting various triangle patterns across the sector. So it could here be an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, D wave might even still be unfolding, and then an E wave. And so I think this weekly candle close will be quite important. Seems like some kind of a decision is coming up as the price gets compressed and compressed and compressed in these sideways ranges. It typically gathers energy for the next larger move. The good news is if it's a triangle, then the market could just form one more low to the downside in this fifth wave, because after a fourth, we typically get a fifth, and a fourth wave can be a triangle. Could also be some kind of a B wave maybe, but typically it's the second to last move, and there's then usually only one more wave. Again, it's all probabilities, no certainties. We just talk about tendencies here. And so one more low wouldn't be a problem. In that case, I would pay close attention to the $2.05 to $1.93 area. And as long as the market can hold and defend, as long as the bulls can defend that $1.77 level, I treat the pullback as a wave 2. The main question is, has the wave 2 already bottomed or not? And without even a break above the very first micro resistance area, I have to say I'm sorry, I don't see any clear signal that the bulls are taking the lead, but that can change around, the movements that also Bitcoin does around the weekly candle close. So we're going to stay close to that. Weekend has been sideways oriented. Basically that's what we often see on a Saturday and Sunday, but late on Sunday we usually start to see some movement. So stay tuned. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. There are additional charts that we update here, additional updates. Also an update for XRP was published before this video there today. So feel free to stay informed, check it out. Thanks so much. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Bye-bye.